Alright, so this is just going to be a real quick video on how I fixed a leak in this back door. Actually, it's the other one, but this one's still on, so I'm going to use it as an example. So our back door window is leaking right around up here in this edge. So on the other side of this, there's a plastic trim piece in between the glass and the metal frame. So there was a leak in between where the butyl tape was on the top. There was just some debris and dirt in there, and over time it hardened up the seal so that it was leaking. So it was just kind of leaking through the top. So it's pretty easy to replace, relatively easy. The hardest part is cleaning off the old butyl tape. So the first thing you're going to do is take off these nuts. So there's some nuts and bolts. I'll show you those. And there's 4 of those, 2 on each side. So you take those off, and then, so just being very careful, you're going to pry the glass off. I was able to just kind of push mine off, but you could use a small pry bar in order to get that off there. Once you get it off, it's covered in black butyl tape. There's still a little bit of residue left up there. I've cleaned it mostly off. So that takes a while. You got to clean that off the glass and off the metal and off the plastic trim. That probably took an hour just to clean all that off. So here's the basic tools you need to clean up that glass in the van and the plastic trim piece. Again, I use mineral spirits, but you could use acetone. It'd probably be a little faster. I just happen to have mineral spirits already. Okay, so this is the sealant we're going to use. It's a Silicone RTV, general purpose adhesive. I'm going to take these and line them up through the holes. We got the bolts lined up through the plastic.
There we go.
Okay. So just tighten these really gently so you don't put too much pressure on the glass and maybe crack it. Just a little bit of tightening with the wrench. All right, Ash, go for it. So it was leaking right there down the glass through that seam. Give it a minute. The door gasket as well, and that's all dry. And I checked the other door and everything is dry. So we're in business. If this video helps you fix your door, please give us a like or subscribe.